1.
Henckels Classic 8 Chef Knife, quality manufacturing. Fabricated from high-quality German stainless steel. Handle length 4.72 inch. Product assembled in Spain. Blade sourced from Germany. Very durable, fully forged construction offers durability and a seamless transition from blade to handle. Precise cutting. Professional, satin-finished blade boasts precision cutting and is finely honed for long-lasting sharpness. Balanced blade, ergonomic, traditional triple rivet handle gives balance and comfort. Multi-purpose knife. Large-sized 8-inch multi-purpose chef's knife for chopping, mincing, slicing and dicing.
2.
WSTHOF Classic 8-inch chef's knife, kitchen workhorse. The WSTHOF 8 Classic chef's knife is essential for preparing any meal. This all-purpose cook's knife can be used for chopping, mincing, slicing and dicing. WSTHOF Classic Series. The full tang, triple riveted handles of the Classic line offer the widest range of cutlery that can satisfy every home cook or professional chef. The WSTHOF Classic Series has been this best-selling series for generations. Chef's knife features an 8-long blade, 4.5 long handle and weighs 8.5 ounce full bolster and finger guard.
3.
Victorinox Fibrox Pro Chef's Knife, for home chefs and professionals. This Fibro Pro Chef's Knife has been the top choice of both home chefs and professionals alike. Expertly crafted with a tapered stainless steel edge that cuts with ease and efficiency. Fit for all tasks. Designed to handle kitchen tasks both big and small, this durable knife's razor-sharp and laser-tested blade effortlessly chops, minces, slices and dices. An essential for every kitchen. Easy handling. Each knife features an ergonomic handle made from thermoplastic elastomer for a non-slip grip even when wet.
4.
Mercer Culinary M21077 Genesis. Quality construction knife is precision forged with high carbon German steel for better durability, and taper ground edge allows for increased efficiency when cutting along with incredible long-lasting sharpness. Superior design, the finest handle in forged cutlery. Built to last ergonomic handle offers comfort and a non-slip grip, even with wet hands. Best use, sharp tines are perfect for piercing food. MOSFiATA 8 Super Sharp Professional Chef's Knife with Finger Guard and Knife Sharpener. 8-inch Chef's Knife. This MOSFiATA 8-inch chef knife is made of high-quality German stainless steel that resists rust, corrosion and discoloration. It can be used for your daily kitchen tasks of chopping, slicing, dicing and mincing of all kinds of meat, vegetables, fruits and bread. It is suitable for both home and restaurant kitchens. Sharp edge and 14-16 degrees sharpening angle. Sharpness is key. Hand polished by craftsmen with decades of experience to ensure its durability.
Six.
Babish High Carbon 1.4116 German Steel Cutlery, Forged from a single piece of high-carbon 1.4116 German steel. Tempered, taper ground, and polished for a frightening level of sharpness. Full-tang ABS handle provides a balanced, comfortable grip. All-purpose knife ideal for chopping, slicing, dicing, mincing and more. Before first use, remove any tags or stickers. Rinse with warm soapy water and towel dry. Babish High Carbon 1.4116 German Steel Cutlery, 8 Chef Knife.
7.
Misen Chef Knife. 8-inch professional kitchen knife. High carbon steel ultra sharp chef's knife, a kitchen staple. The Misen chef's knife is the definition of versatility. Perfectly balanced and ultra sharp. This tool will quickly become your new go-to. Replace that old, dull knife set with one quality blade you'll actually use. Premium steel. The cooking knife is crafted from Henckels 10 steel, which offers a superior balance between long-lasting sharpness and durability with 2x the carbon content of some other premium knives.